The PoE Texas 4-port injector is perfect for simplifying the installation of multiple low-voltage devices, including IP cameras and Wi-Fi access points, through a single network cable. Its active power over Ethernet capability ensures that each connected device receives the precise voltage required, preventing potential damage to non-PoE or lower-powered devices. This injector comes with a robust 48-volt 60-watt power supply, fully compliant with IEEE standards, making it compatible with a wide range of devices, including those from Cisco. Featuring plug-and-play functionality, the injector offers gigabit speeds for seamless data transmission across long distances without compromising signal quality. The product is backed by a solid 1-year replacement warranty and a 30-day return policy, providing peace of mind and easy access to expert support. Designed for user convenience, it can be easily wall-mounted, adding to its versatility and making it an ideal choice for various networking setups.